Okay, activity 8.4 continues using the same spreadsheet we created in activity 3. What we're going to do now is add a bar chart that looks something like this. So to do that, I'm going to highlight the names of my agents. So that is A5 through A9. And then we need to highlight the amount of their commissions, which is over here in column H. So once again, to highlight data that's not in columns that are side by side, hold the control key. So I'm going to hold control, highlight H5 through H9. And then I'm going to go to insert and I'm going to do a clustered bar chart, which will look like this. Now I'm going to move this to a new sheet. So with the chart selected, come up here to the design tab, click move chart. I'm going to add it to a new sheet by itself, and I'm going to call that sheet bar chart and then hit OK. So now it's on a sheet all by itself. I need to insert a chart title for this one, so let me zoom in on this so you can actually see it in the video. So my chart title, I'm going to get rid of that and call this quarter 3 commissions. Oops, quarter 3 commissions. Okay. Next, I want to change the style of my chart to style 7. So when it's talking about the styles, it is talking about the design tab, and it's talking about these styles up here. So with the chart selected, I need to make sure I'm on the design tab, go down and find style 7. So if I hold my mouse over, you can see this is style 4, style 5, style 6, and then this is style 7. So that's the one we wanted to select. The next step, step 8, says to change the color set to color 4. So we're talking about the color sets. The colors are over here, so change colors, and if I hold my mouse over, you can see this is color 2, color 3, color 4, so these are the color sets. It says to do color set 4, which is this one. The next step says to change the size of the title to font size to 24, which makes sense. We want to make this whole title much bigger, so I'm going to highlight the title and change the font size to size 24. And then it says to change the color of the title to brown accent 6 lighter 60%. So I can do that a couple different places. Probably the easiest place, just go back to the home tab, go to my font color right here, font color, and I want the, let's see, what did I just say? I said over here, so brown accent 6. Oops, get back on here, brown accent 6. And I want the lighter 60%, which is going to be this one. Let's see, the next step says to rename this, let's see, sheet 1 to quarter 3. So down here, sheet 1, right click, rename, quarter 3. And then it says to drag the bar chart after quarter 3, because normally you want the first sheet to be all the data, so that's the first sheet that opens. And now I'm done with activity 8.4.